Oh my God. Guys, my time has come. My time has come. Thank you, Great Spirit. Look at that monster. Oh my Lord. My goodness. Please, please have that other ear on there. Please have that other ear. Oh my Lord, I'm afraid to pull it, guys. I just want to relish this for a minute. Look at that smoker. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. I have worked so hard for a piece like that. If that ear is on there, that is a G10. Look at those serrations. Please be there. Here we go, guys. Please be there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my Lord. No. You just killed my dreams. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Guys. Now that'll bring a tear to a glass eye right there for sure. Oh my God. I'd almost send that thing out and have it fixed. Dry enough. Whoever done that was a master. That was absolutely gorgeous. See the ears right there? It would have just had the other ear and a little bit of the base. My goodness. It looked like it had a rounded base on it when I first seen it. Look at that kill shot, guys. That's every bit of 4 inches right there. All right, guys. I guess I'll just have to work harder. All right, let's find another one. Well, my baby's fixed. I found this thing, I don't know, 3 years ago maybe, and it broke my heart when I pulled it out of the dirt, as you saw. So she's fixed now. I want to thank Gomer's Restorations. I'll give you his information, but beautiful, beautiful job. So let's, without further ado, let's check this baby out. All right, let's check this thing out together here. I'll leave Gomer's information so that if you want any work done, you can send your piece to him and he'll take care of it for you. You can't even tell that that base had been snapped off at all. He even put a ground base on it. Very good work. It's the detail of it in the transition from the front to the back is immaculate. You can't even see a transition line at all in there. And that really made this piece. This was my favorite find in the dirt that I had actually came across the whole time I'd been out in the field. And for it to look like that is just immaculate. It's just great. I've waited a long time for this, and I don't know of anyone else I would have rather sent it to get it done. I've got a certificate of authenticity showing the before and after. I'm going to put in a frame, and then I'm going to put this in the shadow box along with the certificate and display it as in one frame in the artifact room. Like I said, though, it's got a ground base, and everything is the way it should be. It's a beautiful piece. I asked Gomer, I said, what do you think that piece would type as? And he said, I would call it an exceptional pine tree. I agree. All right, thanks for watching.